Hey folks, Mike.Bassett here in Junction City, Oregon, Guaranty RV. First off, I want to talk about our dealership. We're a destination dealership here in Little Junction City. We've got an RV park, we've got a restaurant, we've got service 7 days a week. Nobody else does that. And what I want to show you today is something that I just took in trade. It's a 2017 Keystone Cougar 327 RES. The guy who traded it in just decided he wanted a toy hauler. There's nothing wrong with this. It's only been used 3 times. If it didn't say 2017 on it, you'd think it's brand new. So we'll come around, we'll take a peek. It's got lots of storage. You can see it's never had anything in there. I like these magnets up here. It doesn't have the hook that always pulls off. You just go up here and the magnets will hold it on. Automatic awning, boat style outside speakers, bus style windows, 3 aluminum steps to get up, and we'll take a peek inside. So you can see it has a real residential look. The slide out actually comes in over this countertop, hard surface countertops, nice big double sink, big oven, L-shaped couch over here, and then a rear entertainment center with a big TV and your fireplace that actually works as a heater. Over here, big overstuffed chairs, and then your dinette on the patio side, which is nice is because when you're eating, you're looking at somebody else's, you're not looking at somebody else's patio, you're looking at your own. So we'll take a peek up here too. Big walk-through bathroom, which goes into the bedroom, and big shower, ducted air conditioning. The bed is on a slide out, which gives you a big closet up towards the front. It's plumbed for a washer and dryer. If you wanted to put a combination Splendide in there, you sure can. And there's the 2017 Cougar. Thank you.